How to inculcate habits or practices of fasting in yourself as an adult. Are you fasting? Do you know the value of fasting? Why should you fast? Why you shouldn't fast? And then the second step is that how do you, if you are practicing and you realize the value of fasting, then are you as a parent teaching these habits and the value of fasting? Now, another question comes up in this is, what kind of tradition do you belong to which encourages you to fast? Is it no faith or religion, as we have nowadays with intermittent fasting? Is it being done by those who are followers of faith or without faith? Does intermittent fasting has to do anything with the faith or not? So that's one question. In Islam, fasting is considered as a holistic training. It is not only one or the other, but it's a fasting of physical aspects, fasting of your spiritual, your mental, your emotional existence. So traditionally, fasting was done by majority of the faiths. In the Quran, the Islamic faith teaches us that fasting was done before. So it is not a new concept, it's not a new practice. So the wisdom of fasting has been there for thousands of years. So it is up to you if you want to find it out and realize that. There's a whole month dedicated to that, that is ordained by our Creator, God, Allah. In the Quran, in the scripture that Muslims follow, there it has been told that you should fast just like the nations that fasted before you. And these are the benefits and these are the things that you should follow when you fast. As you have, maybe you have seen or listened to or watched my podcast on fasting since this January 2023. The topic is on fasting. So many people I have interviewed have told about their practices or the value of fasting in their tradition or faith or in their life. So I would encourage you to go and watch or listen to those to get some perspective of various faiths. I'm still in the process of interviewing, so I am lining up, and with that life today as it is, it takes a little time to schedule and get to the people who are willing to talk about this topic. You would ask, why am I bringing this topic? This is part of my conscious living training and self-healing and transformation training that I bring to you through my platform, through the podcast. And now I'm in the process of bringing you different trainings and retreats through my academy, which is LUWS Academy, and that is the goal of this. You can find out more about it by contacting me or seeing my website LightupwithShua.com. I did post there through my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and you can find out what am I offering nowadays and what am I looking for in people who would be interested in learning about self-healing and transformation. In that, I do inculcate one of the modules will be on fasting. So I hope you can join me for some free, introductory training, and also sign up for the classes or retreats to learn what I have to offer. I am fairly healthy, and I have been practicing breathing and fasting for more than 25 plus years, actively and consciously. Breathing has been a big part for my personal growth from many angles. Breathing goes to your core. It helps you to be in control of yourself, and I think that's the first thing that you do to control your emotions. I'm not perfect, but I am working on it. But where I have achieved or reached is I can tell you the benefits of practicing breathing and light exercises, and mindfully living is very important for us, especially nowadays.